This is Lusaka, Zambia. As you can see what's happening, the floods have taken over the township of Lusaka. So apparently this is what is happening. People have no choice but to walk in the floods. Yeah, this is what is happening. Oh my goodness. Just look at guys, look at, there's just floods everywhere, and this is the capital city of Zambia. Yeah, it's the Lusaka, Zambia, and these are communities. As you can see, people are busy moving around in the floods, and there's nowhere like they can pass. Like, the water is all over in the shops, there's water in the houses. Like, oh my goodness, this isn't good. This isn't good. There can be an outbreak of anything like cholera or what. Guys, there are no drainages in Lusaka. No drainages in Lusaka, Zambia. Look at what's really happening right now. Look at what's really happening. This is not happening. Like, it's been raining like for over a week. Yeah, like over a week. Yeah, and this is what is really going on. This is so sad. Like, there are no drainages, like where the water run to. It's just floods. Look at this house. This is a house in Lusaka, which is a mansion. And there's just flood. Like, the rains are just too much. The rains are just too much. And these were the rains that which started like overnight. Yeah. It was heavy rains, like for over like 2 hours. And guys, look at that man. The bike was just in the water. Oh my goodness, like, this isn't even funny. Like, there's no roads, there's nowhere to pass. It's just floods everywhere.